Alright, y'all, we are now inside the shops. Over here at Aria, the crystal shops. It's actually a relatively mid-sized mall here. It's pretty big. And unless you happen to be, I guess, in the vicinity of Aria, you likely would never find this place. It's not quite that visible or accessible from the strip. But as you can see, it is a beautiful mall. I mean, just the design. Look at this. That view right there. Oh my god. Wide angle, baby. Let's do wide angle. Boom. That view, unbelievable. It's just, I could sit here, look at this all day. Now this isn't your average Joe mall. It tends to be a little bit more expensive on this side of town. Probably because it's part of Aria, and Aria is not a cheap place to stay. Despite that, every single mall always has a Starbucks. This one probably has the best view. Right here in the mid-tier section, going down these wooden staircases. Really nice. You got your Starbucks. You get this amazing view right here. Oh, isn't that nice? It's crazy nice. The way they designed that canopy. Very cool. All right, let's do the lower level. And then we'll come back to the upper level. You got a Gucci store here, as you see. And Chanel and Versace. I'm gonna straight up tell you, there are 1,000 of these shops in every single mall. So every mall in Vegas where you're at the Wynn, right? Whether you're at Caesars, whether you're here, you're gonna get your Versace's, Chanel's, and your Gucci's. This is very cool. I have no idea what this is all about. Maybe it's someone's laundry that's being done down there. There's another amazing piece of architecture there. So classy. And down over here you got your Prada. this Louis Vuitton store. It's gotta be one of the biggest I've ever seen. 3 levels, yo.